Ladies and gentlemen, if you can send a link to a friend, then you can actually start earning today. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Please keep in mind, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to none other than CW, also known as Cold Wallet. And then we even have what is known as the CWT, which is the Cold Wallet token. And look at that, you guys. They've already raised a massive amount. We'll actually check out this pre-sale here in just a few moments. But I want you guys to understand, they literally had the most generous referral system in the entire crypto industry. Okay, believe it or not. If you invite friends, you yourself will actually get a 20% plus a bonus in CWT. And they will actually get 10% plus bonus in CWT, which is actually really cool. All right. So whenever it comes to Cold Wallet, you guys, the rewards, they come from a dedicated pool. This is not from, say, public supply. And if we actually take a look here, we can click for pre-sale and go straight to the tokenomics. And you guys are going to see right here all the important details, right? So obviously we have the total supply right there. Okay, not bad. Multi-chain compatible. We'll talk about that here in just a few moments. We got utility, gas plus swap, cashback, on, off-ramp, reward, staking, governance, access, and future premium tools. Right here, we got the pre-sale price, and then we even have the deflationary model. So take a look here. So once again, the supply, we got the pre-sale, right? Starting, final stage. That's actually really cool. Okay, that's a massive increase, you guys. So up to 50x from stage one. Okay, so here's what we're talking about for this rewards pool. Okay, guys. So this is the own pool. Okay, this is a dedicated pool, and this is not coming from public supply, which is very important for you guys to understand. All right. Not only that, you guys, there is literally no complicated rules here. So as I mentioned, for joining this pre-sale, you can literally just share your link. They join, and then obviously you both win, right? Easy and simple. All right. So if we actually take a look here and go for this, we got the wallets, okay? So you're going to be able to buy and sell, you're going to be able to send and receive, and you're going to be able to swap and earn rewards, okay? So I want you guys to understand, you're literally going to be able to swap in the app. And yes, you're going to be able to earn some USDT cash back, and this is done instantly, you guys, okay? And once again, your referrals, guess what? They're going to be able to earn too, right? So as mentioned, you're both going to be able to benefit every single time, someone trades. Okay, which is actually really cool. Every single time they technically trade is when you are going to be benefiting, right? So I want you guys to understand, you're going to be able to claim payouts at just 5 USDT. There's no waiting months, all right, which is actually pretty awesome, all right, you guys? So if we actually take a look here, you guys can see we can go up here, join pre-sale, and you guys are going to see, boom, right? Connect wallets, okay? In this case, we're going to use our MetaMask. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys exactly how this works. We're going to log in, right? Pretty easy and simple, okay? That's all you got to do there, okay? Easy, right? So I want you guys to understand that the token, right, the CWT token, you guys, it powers the upcoming cashback system. Obviously, this is live for the pre-sale. Okay, I want you guys to understand that. Not only that, you guys, but technically holding more CWT equals higher cashback tier once the rewards technically go live. Okay, and you guys will see right here, we have the balance, right? We have your coin worth at launch. We got referrals, right? Going to be very important. You guys will actually see we have our unique code right here. Once again, you have to connect your wallets, right? But technically, you guys, if you buy in now, all right, you're going to be able to lock in your rewards multiplier, and this is done for the future. All right, so which is actually really cool. So if we take a look here, you guys are going to see, obviously this works on, we got Ethereum, they got like BNB, you can see that right there. They got Polygon, okay, and then they have a lot more, okay? So there's going to be a lot of different coins and tokens that can be used, all right? So I want you guys to understand that this is technically private by default, okay? So it hides IP, it blocks hackers, it keeps your eyes safe, right? Not only that, but it keeps your keys safe, right? Very important, right? So technically, guys, there is no tech skills that are needed here. You literally just open and you start earning, all right? So I want you guys to understand that. So you can go buy the token, Easy and simple. They even have this ROI calculator, so you guys can see that, right? You can just kind of predict, right? Go right there, boom, easy and simple, right? Obviously, you guys are going to see exactly how this works, right? Just going to grow all the way by the end. So you guys can see that right here, right? Look at that. Okay, that's a massive amount. All right. So not only that, you guys, but I want you guys to understand that they do have tiers here, right? So we're talking about a diamond tier. So we're talking about up to 100% gas fee cash back, which is pretty cool. We'll dive down into that. Not only that, you guys, but the app, it technically is live. No coming soon nonsense, okay? And you guys, they are governance ready as well, all right? And that right there is a very, very, very important, all right? I need you guys to understand that. So whenever we mean governance ready, you can actually vote on features, okay? So if we go to the home page, you guys are going to see right here, once again, a whole bunch of important details, how it works. You guys can see that the rewards, as mentioned, they have that diamond tier. We're talking about 100% gas fee cash back, so which is really cool. They even got bronze, silver, right, gold. You guys can see how much holdings you technically need. So we got pay gas, get CWT. Make a swap, get CWT. Buy or cash out crypto, get CWT. Once again, we got the referral system, right? The 20% and then the 10%, as we briefly mentioned, right? Bonuses vest like pre-sale tokens, right? Which is good for long term. We even have smart vesting, keeps rewards sustainable, which is good as well. So yeah, you guys, a lot of opportunity here, right? You're going to be able to go to that buy, sell, as you guys can see right there. Once again, you're going to be able to keep your keys safe, right? Keep your eyes safe. We've got send and receive, which is great as well. And then finally, you guys are going to see over here, we got swap and earn rewards, as we've already kind of showed you, right? We've got top cryptos, right? A lot of them right there, which is pretty cool. We got wallet features. So you guys will see right here, intuitive, user-friendly, on and off ramp, as we mentioned, non-custodial wallet, cross-chain swapping rewards program, unified wallet. What is that? Balances. Yep. Invoicing made simple, real-time notification, easy coin listing application. We've got mobile first experience, custom price alerts, and then quick send contacts. All right. So why is this better? Maximized earnings, total control, effortless experience, and instant access. All right. So once again, you guys, go join this pre-sale. Big opportunity. Connect your wallet, and that is literally all you have to do. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the easiest crypto side hustle that you will ever find. So make sure you guys download Cold Wallet, share your link, start earning USDT today. Grab your CWT now to boost your future rewards. So check out those links in the description. Leave a comment, smash hit that like button, smash hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.